So guys, this is Lucky Craft and we are gonna teach you how to make a very wonderful puppy fitting in vegetables, not in a plain glass. So let us see. Okay, let's make. Okay, now flip this. First we need to do this, and this one. Not that time faster. And this. See that? And is it sitting? Yes, it's sitting. Break. Break and break. Last but not least, hello. Now, we can break also. Little taily boo. You're a cutie pie. What a cute puppy. This is how we make it. Come on, he's just looking at me. It really works. No commands put it in there. Subscribe for more. If you prove there is no commands underneath. And Lucky Craft don't have. Yes, Lucky Craft don't have any command. So now you should subscribe for more of the tricks.